Ooh.
God.
Yeah.
Alright, now pause.
Do you want to get any from in top? I'll leave it off for a while if you want to. Because, I mean, I don't think she's going to try to get out while she's eating.
You're gonna go normal?
Army crawl, army crawl, army crawl. Oh god. Should have started over there.
Yeah, we're going normal.
You know, so everything kind of changed so far. Right now, I like the snakes the best. Little guys, I like them, and the bigger guys are last in row. I kind of like them all, but I think all the snakes are new. I mean,
Snakes are new,
never
yeah.
had a snake before. Lizards, we have community, you know, so I mean, we kind of had something like that before.
You go normal.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, she was hungry too.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm going to go with the 12 days. What do you have? 12? 13?
10.
10.
Every 10 days, the
Yeah.
2 adults get fed, and every week the little one should be.
Yeah. Because I'm going to write that, since they're eating today, I can put that in the calendar and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Because that'll help me too and stuff like, because then I can leave it out and pretty much the most that could probably happen is I'd miss by a day. Because I pay attention to pretty much what day it is and stuff, and that's why if I got a calendar like that sitting out, it'll be easy enough to remember. And then maybe too, I'll kind of, you know, that's going to be interesting because I don't see how you get used to them when they're hungry, but I'm sure there's a way maybe or something like that. What would they do, I wonder?
They start actively hunting, like looking around for food.
Oh, yeah, I suppose so. Okay. I mean, yeah, it's probably something real simple.
Mm-hmm.
Because, I mean, dragons, you can tell when they're hungry. They're over really bugging you and stuff like that. And,
Yeah, snakes will do that too.
yeah. Huh. So maybe in a couple weeks to 3 weeks or so, I'll be used to them.
I wish my mouth could get that big.
Me too.
I could eat so much more.
Having issues with the arm.
No, not really for a while. Deal with that. Now I remember what else I was going to just look at. At Kohl's, I was going to kind of see something. I hate to get much more than a gallon, because if it gets too big after that, then it's hard to pour it in there. So I'd kind of like to have just one container that I put it in. So far, that's actually working, because I can drain it out and I can fill 2 of their tanks up with water.
Did you derp and try and catch
Yeah,
it?
you're going a little bit faster in this one, I think.
Mm-hmm.
And you're gone. You disappeared completely. Oh, no, I can see your nose. So no more bugging you. Tuesday,
Bless you.
either Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll take them both out and let them have a lot of fun. When they be ready for
Over halfway.
Woo!
it. Yeah, good.
You eat yours normal.
Yeah. Well, see, the thing is, too, I actually pulled it so the head would have been the first part. So if I do that maybe the next time, too, it might work out better.
That or I just have a derp snake and it just likes eating things backwards.
As long as it eats.
If it
who
eats, I don't
cares?
really care. If it eats and keeps it down, I
Yeah,
don't
that's
care.
the thing, too. Yeah, that's pretty much today. Better keep watching on that, on both of them.
I mean, I don't think they're gonna
I
throw
can't,
up.
because, I mean, it was so far back when we saw it, it was halfway in them already,
I
and
mean,
it was
they
small.
can still vomit
Oh, yeah.
at any point, really. They get too stressed out, they will vomit, even if it's
Yeah,
just,
even
like,
if there's
over,
nothing left in their stomach, they
Yeah.
could, still get sick,
which is gross. Show your chemistry teacher or something.
Yeah.
It's biology.
Yeah.
Look at this! Look at this! Ew.
Now, when I was a kid, if you had something like that at school, it'd be really popular. But
Yeah.
nowadays, there's more people that do have, or seen them, or some of the schools do already have, they may not have seen them eat or something like that yet. But
I think it's quite cool the amount of people that actually had like bearded dragons at their schools.
Mhm.
yeah,
And I was just like, well, where was I for this school?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
yeah.
We had a gecko last year, and then it died.
Oh.
I'm not a big fan of school pets, to be honest. 'Cause there's too many people.
That is true. They get kind of
They're
misused a
stupid.
lot.
People
you
are
know?
stupid.
Yeah. Yeah, because the bad thing, some of them that don't have pets might be a mean kid and just try to be
Yeah.
mean for a couple minutes even and stuff like that. So, yeah, that's kind of a toughie there too. Yeah. Water. Yeah. Cage is lovely.
Quite curious how she's gonna swallow down the tail.
Yeah. Like spaghetti. We're at 6 minutes.
Really?
Mhm.
Oh crap. If you get a top view, it looks really funny.
Oh. Yep, that's weird.
So,
Oh, geez, I need
close
this
to dealing with the tail?
Yep.
You just shoved her off. You jerk. Notice how her tail is moving slowly closer.
Mhm.
Can you see? Oh yeah, you can pretty much see where it still is. Yeah. Because the
She's
tail's still there.
Still got the tail. I'm really curious at how she's gonna deal with the tail.
It didn't take very long for, Hershey to get hers towards the middle and stuff. That went pretty fast after it got in there and stuff. So
Yeah. They swallow pretty interesting because
yeah. Yeah, see, after they eat, they need a good couple hours of a nap just to go, oh, that would work.
Oh my god. I'm tired.
my jaw hurts.
Yeah.
So it looks like they're not really doing much with the tail. It's just getting swallowed along with the
Yeah.
rest of the mouse.
Well, it's slowly disappearing. But the thing is, too, if you get this one and wiggle around in front of him, you might
He
just
might
eat
go
it now.
after it.
Because, I mean, he might not have real. The second time eating, but I mean, it should be kind of a natural thing, you would think. So, should be two. Oh, actually got three left. To get rid of. So, if Doug gets first one, we're going to go 3 days in probably.
Okay, at the end of it just kind of went in like spaghetti.
Cute.
There's only two left. But,
I can definitely see where that